Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Project Access Token in GitLab. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the Project Access Token area inside GitLab so you can manage authentication at the project level. This is useful when you want a project to have its own token-based access without relying on a personal account. We'll keep the process simple and easy to follow. To begin, open GitLab and make sure you are on the home page. This is your starting point, and from here you can navigate to the project where you want to work with access tokens. If you're signed in already, you should see the main GitLab interface and the navigation menu on the left side. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Projects. This takes you to the area where your available projects are listed. If you have access to multiple projects, this page helps you quickly locate the one you want to configure. Taking this route ensures that you're entering the token settings from the correct project, rather than from your personal profile or a group level page. Once you're on the projects page, click on the project called Sample Project. Opening the project first is important because project access tokens are managed individually for each project. In other words, the token settings you're about to open will apply only to this specific project. After the project opens, move to the left-hand navigation again and click on Settings. This section contains configuration options for the project, including permissions, integrations, and security-related controls. If the menu appears collapsed or includes several sub-items, just take a moment to make sure you're in the correct project settings area before moving on. From within Settings, click on Access Tokens. This is the section where GitLab lets you create and manage project access tokens. Reaching this page is the key goal of the process, because it's where token-based project access is handled. When working with access tokens, it's a good idea to be mindful of security and share them only through safe, approved methods if your workflow requires it. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the Project Access Token section in GitLab. From here, you can continue with your project's token management based on your organization's requirements. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process clear and straightforward.